In today's video, we are going to walk you through on God of Prompt, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to save time and get higher AI quality outputs. God of Prompt is here to help people get better results from AI by showing them what to say and how to say it. Now, the amazing part is if you haven't signed up yet for God of Prompt, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description. You will get a 10% discount. Just head to checkout and apply the coupon code on any paid plan. And then you will be forwarded to the main platform of God of Prompt itself. As you may notice, it's very clean, it's straightforward, yet, let me tell you, it's very functional and powerful. Now on the top corner, you have all these. Number one is going to be the prompt. This is essentially the core of God of Prompt. It gives you a library of ready-made high-quality AI prompts. Okay, so prompts are designed for tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, organized by different use cases like, for example, architecture for Midjourney, art and design, marketing, web design, and photography. On the other hand, for ChatGPT, you have like finance, education, productivity, writing, business, marketing, and more. Now, the thing is, instead of writing prompts from scratch, you can simply copy and paste and customize them. For example, we're going to be choosing best ChatGPTs to marketing December of this year. Now, you see, you have two options here. Number one is going to be the premium and the free prompt. Okay, so essentially with a free prompt, you can have basic access at no cost. You can start them without paying anything. For example, we're gonna be choosing generating cool captions. If you click on it, it would give you a limited selection of prompt, which is great for exploring the platform, testing AI prompt styles, and using basic cases. Now, the instruction gives you the ability to copy the specific prompt, and there is an option on how to use it and the example output. For you not to be confused, there is a custom prompt at the bottom right corner where you can try it. Okay, so paste it, and then at the bottom right here, you can customize all these information. All right, for example, about me. So let's say I am a content creator. And then platform is going to be, let's say, YouTube. Okay, so you can put as many as information as you can so that you want to make sure that you have a mental list of all of the information so that the God of Prompt will give you the best results there is. Okay, so think of it as the free prompt with using the starter kit, enough to try out ideas and learn how prompting works, but not deeply specialized. Now, speaking of which, if you go back here, these are part of paid plans and packages, offering much more value and power. Because for one, you can refine your writing. Premium packages includes thousands of prompts, tens of thousands when you buy bigger bundles. Prompts are often professionally curated and tested, meaning they're designed to work well right away without a heavy tweaking. So all I have to do is very simple. You can get full access to their premium libraries so that you can have more detailed instructions, context, variables, and guides that can help you use them more effectively in your business. Now, now as you can see, you have multiple options. All right, so you can pay monthly and you have a lifetime access. The complete AI bundle of $150 is going to be the flagship package of God of Prompt. Remember earlier, if you click the Get Access, you can simply use our code. Okay? Now, this gives you a 10% discount, which can save you a lot. And click the Pay button. Now, having said all of that, when we go back to the main homepage, you can also see that it offers different products for you. Number one is going to be the Prompt Pack. And as you can see, it offers you AI toolkits, courses, plus bundles depending on the availability. Think of it as the storefront where you see what you can purchase or access. There's a lot to begin with, and you have more control if you wanted to have an add-on. For example, a custom GPTs for toolkit, maybe chat GPT custom instructions, depending on your level of understanding and your technical expertise. You have, for example, Notion. If you are part of the Notion ecosystem, you also have some options around here. If you wanted to learn more, click the yellow button and this will forward you to a basic guideline wherein you can download the PDF absolutely free. Just enter your email and you can simply have a guide to prompting ChatGPT to get great consistent images. Now, the Contact Us option is your support and communication hub. Here you can have customer support inquiries, business or partnership requests, or maybe if you wanted some technical help. And then the blog is really essential for learning and updates if you wanted to know more about God of Prompt in general. You can have like AI tips and prompt strategies, how-to guides, updates on new tools or prompts, which is really great for staying updated and learning how to use the AI more effectively. On the top corner, you have 3 horizontal lines, wherein if you click on it, you have controls over your products, your plans, and your liked prompt. If I click on it, as you can see right now, I have like my products which I can access. Speaking of which, remember if you have a Notion in your productivity or workflow, and if you wanted to seamlessly integrate that, you can do so. You want to make sure that your Notion account is ready so that you can seamlessly integrate these two together. Okay, so you have so many templates here. The 3 dots icon allows you to sign up to your Notion. And if you want to share this to your team, you can do so. Copy that URL so that your team would know that you have integrated your God of Prompt to your Notion account. Now, while the free account is good for getting started, the prompt results aren't good enough. And of course, it's kind of limiting. If you are looking to scale up, you can simply unlock the full potential by upgrading to the complete bundle, which is the flagship subscription of God of Prompt. Remember, if you want to save money and get a 10% off, do not forget to use our code, which is going to be prompt10. Click the apply button and then follow the on-screen instructions. And with that being said, God of Prompt is a powerful tool if you want to stop guessing and start getting consistent, high-quality AI responses. Whether you're creating content, marketing campaigns, or business documents, it helps you work smarter with AI. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment your questions because we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next one.